morning was what we would call prefrontal, meaning in front of the front. And now the front's coming through, and boy, is it going to get cold behind it. You can see the difference between one side and the other because there is snow off to the northwest. And that is going to be part of the deal over the next day and a half. We still have a good chance that there's going to be very cold air sliding in here over the next 12 to 18 hours. Most of this, especially right along here, is part of that actual front. There are still some very heavy showers and a little bit of thunder showing up in eastern Ohio. Columbus itself with a heavy downpour as we speak, running all the way from parts of southern Delaware County, right down 71 through the middle of Columbus, and then on down toward the south. Brand new in the last few minutes, the counties you see in red here are a flash flood warning. That lasts until 8:15 tonight, so that's going to be as this line moves through. Some of this rain is pretty heavy. You could get some quick flooding because an inch or more of rain is possible with some of that. The tornado warnings are still in effect in southern and southwestern Ohio until 6 o'clock tonight. The ones in eastern Ohio last until about 8 o'clock tonight, but Columbus has been paired out of that. We still have a wind advisory, and that's going to last until at least 7 o'clock tonight once that front goes by. Look at this. See the back edge of that? That shows you the heavy rain on radar. There's the back edge of it right there on Dublin Road, making its way through downtown. It is still 64 degrees, and it's not all that breezy at the moment, but as the front comes through, the wind will pick up. Your DR Horton America's current conditions are still at almost 80 degrees in Athens. Most of the rest of the area in the 60s, and then 30s are going to file their way in here during the night tonight. By 11 o'clock, we're pretty much finished. Just some light rain happening after that. 3 in the morning, the state goes dry, but colder air begins to move in. Columbus is going to get some freezing tonight. So rain for the next few hours. Temperatures falling quickly after the front goes by. 32 degrees for the overnight low. And there's going to be a wind chill with that. So when you get up in the morning on your way out the door of work and school, you're going to find that the wind's got a real bite to it. It's going to get breezy during the day tomorrow, but Thursday stays generally dry. On Friday, whole new system coming in. This one is going to be a low-pressure center moving through the Great Lakes. Most of the precipitation on Friday should be to the north, and it'll be kind of hit or miss to start with, but it will also be windy again. So wind gusts tomorrow, getting 20 to 25 miles per hour, but you will see some sunshine in between the clouds. But it's only going to be in the 40s. You saw some of those temperatures today that were in the upper 60s, close to 70 degrees, or even more. We saw almost 80 in Athens. Tomorrow, a high of only 45 degrees. Warming up a bit on Friday, comes with some rain to the north and 56 degrees. And headed into your weekend, now we're looking at some sunshine, but cool.